Hello students, how are you today?
Hi, are you ready to learn English today?
Students, I am Yulvia, your English teacher.
Okay, and my name is Miss Setio and I'm also your English teacher. Jadi, kita akan belajar apa, Sensei, hari ini?
Nah, kita baca aja dulu ya kompetensi dasar yang akan kita pelajari hari ini. Kita mulai dari KD yang kognitif, yaitu menerapkan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan teks interaksi transaksional lisan dan tulis yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait saran dan tawaran, sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Perhatikan unsur kebahasaan should and can. Oke, bagaimana dengan KD psikomotoriknya, Miss Setio?
Yang berikutnya adalah KD 4.1, yaitu menyusun teks interaksi transaksional, lisan dan tulis, pendek dan sederhana, yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait saran dan tawaran dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan yang benar dan sesuai dengan teks, sesuai konteks.
Ya, dan topik kita adalah saran dan tawaran atau
Suggesting and offering.
bersama Miss Setio dan Pia Sensei.
Okay, let's start.
Nah, sebelum kita mulai, kita harus tahu dulu apa tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini. Yaitu mengidentifikasi ungkapan-ungkapan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait saran dan tawaran. Mengidentifikasi perbedaan cara pengungkapan dari masing-masing konteks, memahami struktur teks, ungkapan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait saran dan tawaran.
Tujuan pembelajaran yang berikutnya adalah memahami unsur kebahasaan dari ungkapan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait saran dan tawaran, menyusun saran dan tawaran, lalu menyampaikannya ke teman di dalam kelas, dan kemudian menanggapi saran dan tawaran yang diajukan kepadanya. Oke, sudah siap ya? Yuk kita belajar sama-sama.
Suggest and offer.
Suggest means to present a suggestion, that is to introduce or propose an idea or a plan for consideration. Suggest means to propose a plan. It can be accepted or refused. Suggestions are abstract and can be in form of solution, advice, plan, and idea. Jadi, suggestion itu kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia bisa dibilang apa ya, Sensei?
Saran.
Oke. Nah, berupa saran. Nah, saran itu bisa berbentuk abstrak, seperti solution, ya, berupa solusi, memberikan rencana atau ide. Demikian.
Oke. Kita lanjut ya. Nah, bagaimana ekspresi-ekspresi yang kita pakai ketika akan menggunakan pola ini? Oke, yang pertama adalah why don't we? Ini diikuti dengan verb one. Berikutnya, we could diikuti verb one. Masih sama, what about? Oh, bukan sama ya, diikuti dengan verb ing. Next, how about? Plus verb ing. I suggest that plus subject and verb one. I think diikuti oleh sentence. I don't think sama sentence.
Oke. Jadi bisa disimpulkan why don't we dengan we could itu penggunaannya sama, diikuti oleh verb one, and then what about dengan how about followed by verb ing, dan I suggest that, I think, I don't think itu diikuti dengan sentence. Jadi subject and verb one itu juga termasuk sentence.
Nah, ini adalah ekspresi ya yang akan kita pakai ketika kita akan menerima sebuah tawaran. Accepting suggestion. Okay, let's. Yes, I'd like to. Yes, I'd love to. What a good idea. Why not? Yes, with pleasure. That sounds like a good idea. That's a good idea. Ya. Oke, ada tambahan nih Setio?
Besides accepting a suggestion, we can also refuse or declining. And what are the expressions of declining suggestion? Let's find out.
Let's go.
Okay, so these are the expressions of refusing or declining suggestion. The first is no, I'd rather not. I don't feel like I like it. I don't feel I like it. I dislike your suggestion. What an awful idea. It's a bad idea. I'm afraid I can't. No, I don't think so. Nah, when we want to refuse suggestion, it would be more polite if we say sorry at the beginning. Jadi kalau misalnya kita mau refuse atau kita mau menolak sebuah saran atau suggestion, ada baiknya kita awali dengan mengucapkan kata well, I'm sorry, I don't think it's a good idea, misalnya. Well, I'm sorry, I think what is it? I don't feel I like it. Gitu. Jadi
berarti nggak boleh frontal ya. Betul. Kita harus meminta maaf terlebih dahulu, lalu kita mengemukakan alasannya kenapa kita menolak sebuah saran itu ya. Oke. Lanjut ya. Oke, next.
So these are the examples. Okay, Sensei, would you read?
Yeah, okay. Let's go to library. We could eat at home today. What about eating at the new place? How about going to Sam's place first? I suggest that we call it a day. I think you should go and meet her.
Okay, so from the examples we can see that, lihat ya, ada contohnya we could and then let's diikuti oleh verb 1. Let's go, verb 1 go, and then we could eat verb 1. Kemudian ada what about dan how about. Bisa dilihat itu what about eating, and then what about going, diikuti oleh verb ing. Dan yang berikutnya, I suggest that we call it a day, and then I think you should go and meet her. Kedua ekspresi tersebut diikuti oleh kalimat. Paham ya?
Paham dong. Okay, let's find out what is the formula of this sentence. There is two kind of formula. The first one is formal. Subject, modal. There is should, ought to, could, etc. plus verb plus complement. And the second one is subject, suggest plus that, and then followed by subject, should, verb, and complement. And the second one, when we want to say it in informal, we can use WH question. For example, what about going to the cinema tonight? What do you think about that? Is that formal or informal?
Okay, so when you want to give suggestion, you have to know the situation, whether it is formal or informal. Jadi harus tahu apakah situasinya formal atau informal, karena itu akan berpengaruh terhadap expressions yang akan kita gunakan. Seperti itu. Next. Okay, offer or giving offer. Okay, offer means to give something physical or abstract to someone, which can be taken as a gift or a trade. Offer means to give help. It can be taken or refused. Offer can be in terms of food, money, solutions, friendships, or a bargain. Jadi offer itu kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia bisa diartikan sebagai apa, Sensei?
sebuah tawaran.
Ya, so it can be physical, something physical. Jadi tadi berupa uang misalnya, ya berupa makanan, or abstract misalnya, it can be a friendship, it can be help. Nah itu kan abstrak ya. Okay, so let's go on to the next slide.
Okay, this is the expression when we use offering help. First, I will, blah blah blah. The second one, do you want me to, blah blah blah. Third one, shall I, blah blah blah. Do you mind if I, blah blah blah. And the last is let me, blah blah blah.
Okay, so these are more examples on the expressions of giving offer. Jadi ini contoh-contoh ungkapan menawarkan dalam kalimat. Misalnya, may I give you a hand? Can I help you? Shall I bring you some tea? Or would you like another piece of cake?
Okay, next, accepting offering. Ini adalah ekspresi-ekspresi yang kita pakai ketika kita menerima tawaran seseorang. Oke, yang pertama adalah yes please, thank you, it is very kind of you. Yes please, that would be lovely. Yes please, that would be very kind of you. Thank you, I appreciate your help.
Okay, besides accepting, we can also declining or refusing an offer. What are the examples of the expressions? Let's find out. Okay, so these are the expressions when we want to decline suggestion. The first is, it's okay, I can do it myself. No, thank you. No, thanks, I don't want another helping. Don't worry, I will do it myself. That's all right, I will manage on my own.
Now, we are going to present a start conversation. Kita akan mempraktekkan sebuah percakapan pendek. Kalian simak. Nanti setelah ini kita akan memberikan sebuah pertanyaan.
Okay, excuse me ma'am, it seems that you're having trouble with those bags. Can I help you?
Yes, please. And the answer is that offering or suggestions? Yes, that's right. It is an offering sentence. There is one more example. Okay, listen. You look so bored. What's the matter?
Well, there's nothing good to watch on TV.
Then we go to cinema.
Wow, that's a good idea.
Okay. Do you know what is that? Yes, that's right. It is suggesting. Okay, students, this is the end of our slide.
We hope that you can get the meaning of what we are talking about. So, how to give suggestion and offer, and how to accept and decline it.
Thank you. Bye-bye.